it's Hussein and Selena, Epic Eats, and today we will be having
Thai food.
Thai food. And this is by Shang Thai. This is our first time going to try their food, so let's eat, guys. We already tried some spring rolls. It was really good. So we will be having pad thai shrimp and green chicken curry and this spring roll. And yeah, we already had this
Tried this one.
We tried it already.
Try this one.
This one's so good. By the way, I love Thai milk tea so much.
Thai food need to be eaten Thai way.
Let's oh my gosh.
Yeah, follow it.
We love it.
I like the spicy. I like the spicy. It's not so spicy, but so good. This one is nice. Thai food is just nice.
One of my favorite.
Well, my favorite is Moroccan food, but second is Thai.
It's really good. So spicy. I put so much chili. It's so good. Spicy and so good. And also this coconut Thai milk tea is so freaking good. Super yummy. It has a corn and coconut and this boba.
This is my best. I don't like bubbles.
Presentation looks nice. So guys, we already started with this green chicken curry, and it's so spicy, but it's so good. It's just that it's so spicy. So yeah, prepare your milk tea.
Now we go to spring rolls
How
again.
about their dipping sauce? Is it spicy?
No, it's sweet. I like it. This one is good. Dip it.
easy eating. Good. But from three of this one, which is your favorite? Me too. This one.
This one. This one is good, but it's spicy for me.
Actually, I like three of them. But even one is also good. The drinks are so yummy. It tastes like the authentic Thai milk tea, you know?
This one. It's like the one from Bangkok.
Yeah.
Let me go show you the restaurants.